It's Havoc on the mic. You know shit is about to be fucked up, so I'm warning you. Brace yourself, put in your tampons. I don't know. Do something or get the fuck off my channel. But let's break it down. I did not take this trade, but if I wanted to, I could have because I'm the fucking man. Okay? But most of you motherfuckers probably didn't see it or probably didn't take it because you're not doing your homework. But anyhow, no, I did not take this trade. I made money on the way up from the 9:30 opening, and I made money on the way down, and I was out of the fucking market. Most of you motherfuckers probably continued to trade till like 4 o'clock, blew out your accounts, and now you're yelling at your girlfriends over the weekend. So don't do that. But if you wanted to do this properly and correctly, use some basic fucking logic and just simplify this, man. Simplify it for yourself. So if we start right here, we have our 930 open at the green vertical line. We create our first fair value gap right here in this green box, untapped, untouched. This is indicating to us that we're probably going to move up pretty convincingly, okay? Not all the time, you fucking queers. Not all the time it's going to be like that. Sometimes the market will come back down and knock this fucking fair value gap out and it's going to ruin your day. But you just you use confluences to build a narrative, okay? It's untapped. We keep moving up. We have this massive move up that I made money on and passed another funded account and made money on an evaluation or made money on an express account. So that was a nice leg for me. Made money on the way down because we got a reversal signal. I'm not going to break that down. You can find it on my channel. But if you wanted to continue to play, okay, if you wanted to continue to gamble, use logic. Look at this. We're moving up. This is up for the most part. Don't overthink it. It's moving up. Okay? We come down, even though we have this massive move down, we don't have a market structure shift over here. The price action doesn't get down here and close over this candle body. So we just wait. We just wait and wait for the inversion. Wait for the signals that follow after that inversion. Okay, so what happens? We start moving up. I take note that this is an advanced market structure shift right here at this yellow line. I'm not pulling the trigger. I'm just being patient. I'm seeing what price is going to do for me. Okay, I want to see that inversion first, and then I can work with up with whatever confluences follow up next. Okay, so finally we get an inversion. Where do I see it? It's right here. Bearish fair value gap overlapped by this bullish fair value gap. Very subtle. Yes, it overlaps. Not only that, we close over the advanced market structure shift. So that's two confluences. Then we add another confluences. This is a bullish fair value gap that closes over an advanced market structure shift, which makes it very, very high percentage, a good chance that this is going to play out on our favor. Then you start using your logic again. Well, down here we have a fair value gap that is untouched, a bullish one. The market's been moving up, as you see right here. There's multiple confluences that are giving me confidence this is a good trade. Okay, so we got the inversion, we got the advanced market structure shift. We use some logic. The market's moving up. We created a bullish fair value gap that's getting untapped. We have a high right here that we can get low hanging fruit. So as soon as we close over this inversion, you can place a trade. Okay, as soon as we close over this advanced market structure shift, you can place a trade. And even if you were late and you want to have that extra confluence of seeing if this was going to turn out to be a bullish fair value gap, okay, you could wait for this third candle to close and enter and set up some sort of entry within this inversion. Okay, beautiful. And what do you get? You get low hanging fruit. Right here is where I would have executed, and you get more than 50 points. Easy. You get that low hanging fruit right there. Okay, you want to make money, listen to me, be disciplined, watch the signals, do it in the order I tell you. I number them for you. Okay, make sure you put your stop right here where the bullish fair value gap, the third candle of the bullish fair value gap. You can probably even do it tighter than that. It's a preferential thing depending how much leverage you're going to put on. I usually like to keep it tight, okay, just below the fair value gap. If I lose, I lose, and miss out on a trade, it is what it is. You got to manage risk. But I number this out for you guys so you can know what to look for first. You want to see that inversion, you want to see some sort of advanced market structure shift, and then you can start building a narrative and then adding other key factors. Well, we're moving up. Okay, we haven't tapped into this bullish fair value gap, and that was the first one printed, and we just continue, going higher and higher. Okay, This is Havoc, Punch and Profit. Go get laid. I know most of you blew out accounts. Okay, it's a beautiful weekend for me. I will be back on Monday, uh, getting to it and doing God's work. And hopefully Trump wins this election so our country doesn't fucking get taken over by a bunch of immigrants. All right, peace.